very upsetting.
Is it now?
Oh, there was a chocolate caramel there. I didn't have to go to the bottom to get them.
Mom, I'm trying to record a YouTube video. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna cut.